into yokuthi ontanzi bahlezi bewina. I-situation kaSanele izoba nzima kakhulu emva kokuthi ke uMM noma municipality manager eshonile wadutshulwa ke abantu kade bemelene nabo okuwogadla. Ndike guys uAyanda bathi uzoba paralyzed kuleli viki ngekasakwazi ukuhamba. So kuthanda ukuba nzima ke nje impela. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sanele Live Channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on iTonga from the 19th to 23rd of May 2025 on Monday. Mambele has searing and damning words for Sanele. Guilty plugs Lungelo on Tuesday. Pablo put the final hammer into destroying Sanele and the Magwaza. Ayanda's happiness is short-lived when she is stalked by paralysis on Wednesday. With the contract lost, Sanele take desperate steps to save Magwaza construction, but at what cost? Ayanda's condition worsened and the family fears this is beyond medical explanation. Ugadla spread dangerous rumors as he tightened his grip on the project and the workers on Thursday. Things continue to fall apart for Sanele, and a chilling message from the other side brings him to his knees on Friday. Two spirits fight for one body. Who will emerge victorious? A loved one life hangs by a thread. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.